737, the decree of Allah Azza wa Jalla the Mighty came to pass in Iraq. A warrior, a commander, a conqueror, a general, a just ruler is born. And those who are unaware of who this man is, his name is Yusuf. He's known as Salahuddin. His father's name is Najmuddin. His uncle's name is Asaduddin, also known as Shirko, the renowned warriors of Nuruddin. This is Salahuddin. This is Salahuddin. This is Salahuddin. Allahu Akbar. The king who fought the Franks, the king who fought the Romans, the king who fought the Italians, the king who fought the Germans, the king who fought 3 monarchs, the king who fought 3 kings in one sitting, the king that was known for his battles, the king that was known for his sieges, the king that is known for his duels, the king that was known for his combat. Allahu Akbar. He participated in the battle of Acre. He participated in the battle of Belvoir Castle. He participated in the battle of Hattin. He participated in the battle of Jaffa. Just to mention a few. He was known for his generosity. He was known for his kindness. He was known for his fortitude. He was known for his uprightness. Allahu Akbar. He was known for his worship. Allahu Akbar. This is the man. He studied Quran. He studied Hadith. He studied fiqh. Allahu Akbar. He studied lineage. This is the man. This is Salahuddin, the warrior of Islam, the soldier of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Regarding whom the narrations will say that this is the man that even the enemies will say to their people, to their soldiers, that I want you guys to reach a higher state than Salahuddin. This is the man that even the enemies will say that Allahu Akbar, that this man is a perfect example of a perfect knight. This is the man that he made 3 districts in Jerusalem, one for the Muslims, one for the Christians, one for the Jews. Why? So they could live in harmony. This is Salahuddin. This is Salahuddin. This is Salahuddin. Why? Because come the battle of Hattin, and those who are unaware of what this battle is, it's a battle that paved the way of opening the gates of Jerusalem and bringing back the joy of the Muslims and bringing back the glory of the Muslims. Allahu Akbar. That very place that the narrations will stay. That Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says that he sat on Buraq and he shot off to the heavens. He went to the first, he went to the second, he went to the third, he went to the fourth, he went to the fifth, the sixth, the seventh heaven. He spoke to Allah and he came back with the gift of Salah. The very place regarding whom the narrations will stay. That Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is standing there. Adam alayhi salam, Nuh, Ibrahim, Ismail, Ishaq, Salih, Lut, Yaqub, Musa, Yusha, Ilyas, Yunus, Ayub, Dawood, Yahya, Isa, all the prophets are there. 124,000 prophets, more or less, are standing there. The mu'adhin gives the adhan. Who is to be made imam? The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He receives this honor and is made the imam of all the prophets. And then Salahuddin, conquering city to city, village to village, he lands outside Jerusalem. Right outside the gates of Jerusalem, the army of Syria, the army of Egypt, they are assembled under one power, one mission, one job, and that is to bring back the glory of the Muslims. He sends a message: surrender the city or prepare for battle. The Iraqis, he says, no, we are prepared for battle. Salahuddin, the knights, could you just imagine 30,000 soldiers with huge catapults, huge rock loaders, huge crossbows with Greek fire, and they landed outside the gates, and Salahuddin ordered his soldiers, his forces, to launch an attack. The arrows are shot, the rock loaders are launched. They start pelting the ramparts. For 6 days continuous pelting. They are not able to mine the walls. They turn direction and they go towards a leaf where the trees of olives are. And then Salahuddin launches another ferocious attack. Huge catapults, rock loaders. The walls are mined and the walls collapse. the soldiers of Salahuddin, the forces of Salahuddin, they make their way through and they start sticking their banners up. Balian understood that, you know what, they're in. Salahuddin's forces has come. You know what, we will definitely be defeated. So he quickly come out with an envoy. He comes out and he says to Salahuddin, let's negotiate. Salahuddin says, you want to negotiate? My flags are already up. Your army has been pushed back. Your walls have collapsed. He says, let's negotiate. He says, I only accept unconditional surrender. Surrender the city or prepare for battle. Balian says, do you know what? You come in by force, we're gonna have problems. We have 5,000 Muslims in captivity. We will butcher them. We will kill them. We will not let anyone escape. Our dirhams, dinars, we will get rid of them. Our women, our children, we will kill them. We will make sure that you do not take any of us in captivity. All the Muslim sites, Aqsa, we will destroy it. We will make sure everything comes to an end. Salahuddin looks at him and he says, surrender the city. I'm gonna give you one more chance. You surrender the city and you pay a little ransom. You and your army, you and your people will be free to go, and we will escort you to a place of refuge, to the place where the Christians are. He puts his head down and he walks off. He goes to Heraclius. Surrender the city to Salahuddin. Salahuddin has come. He has overpowered us. We either surrender the city or the enemy will come and he will destroy every single one of us.